all smash up on it too.
Eh?
We all smash up too.
Fuel smash up?
Banana, everything gone.
Eh?
Yeah, what we are gonna eat? A rice, a pure rice, here, eat, and flour.
Pure rice and flour?
Yeah, me goat them gone. Me fowl gone. Everything.
Tell the fans good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Yes, my people, welcome back to the Mark 4K World Tour. Yeah, man. Still in St. James here. And I'm going to give you a driving tour from starting this one at Springfield. And guys, look at the landslide here that Melissa take down. Look at it. Look over the gully here. Wow. Look at it.
All around here is mashed up, eh?
Yes, so guys, we have some GPS people coming in the area now, trying to figure out how to get this light pole up and running back. Yes. And that is the helicopter over there, guys, who are taking food for the people.
Morning, sir.
Yes, yes. Yeah. So this is Springfield, my people. Yeah. So this is the square of Springfield, you know. Alright, so we are going to drive to Maroon town now. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man. So I'll drive around the Maroon town because so I go on, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, later. Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're in the car. And yes, we're going.
Okay, we are leaving Springfield and we are going to Maroon town now. Yeah. Springfield hardware up there. A lot of landslides around this area here.
Yes. Lots of landslide, especially the one around the back where I showed you earlier, guys. Really bad landslide.
Oh, these roads are dangerous now. Very dangerous now.
Morning.
Up there. Look, even the paint, the stamp chip off of the wall.
Yes, man,
look at that.
Everything is stripped off badly.
Whoa, so church over here get mashed up.
Yes. The roof of that church is gone, guys.
Look at that.
Yeah, mashed up roof.
And that building over there is gone. down in the valley there.
Look at this shop here.
Yeah, it's boss.
Yes, mash up at the front, you know.
So we are going to Maroon town.
Yes.
Yes.
Morning, sir. Over here, guys. All those trees, you know, they come a winter land, guys. And look at the water over there, guys. If you think the water can use it, no. The water is very dirty over there. No good.
Oh, this container
They have the container over there.
flip over.
Blow over by Hurricane Melissa. Oh, that is really bad.
Oh,
And then over here is hurricanes.
thing is this road to Maroon town.
Yes.
This road to Maroon town?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, not far. All right. I'm not seeing that goes on. Oh, look over here.
On that side over here is damage, guys. Badly.
Yeah.
Damage.
This is the helicopter. One of the helicopter there that brings food stuff to the people around here. So guys, this is 2 weeks after Hurricane Melissa passed, you know?
Yes, 2 weeks after Hurricane Melissa, guys, yeah. And people are trying to get themselves back together as well.
Wow. So that sign say welcome to Point.
Yes, we're in Point.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yes, at least the banana is springing up back.
Yeah, finally we started to see a bit of green skies around here.
Yeah.
Thank God for that.
Look down there. Wow. I have another church right over here. Damage over here.
Damaged church.
Hi. You alright?
Morning.
Okay.
Jamaican world travel.
Ready soup, ready soup, ready soup.
Ready soup?
Ready soup and jerk chicken. Ready.
Okay.
All right.
Uh,
Super ready, guys.
I wonder which road to take now. This is Point we in.
Yes.
So one road there, one road there. So guys, we're in Point. Yes. Square. This is Point Square, I think. So this is the whole area that Melissa, you know. Yes, guys. Which one of this road take you to Maroon Town? The left one? Okay, thank you. Maroon. Yeah. This one down here. Yeah. So what's up, my lady?
I'm here, you know.
You good?
So me not complain, Dan. Me not complain.
You not complain?
No, me not complain.
Before me come closer to you, me a YouTuber.
You come on, no.
Okay, all right. But me I make a note still.
You need to put me up on YouTube.
Oh, you need to go on. All right.
Well, I'm sitting there mash up and sit, but me still not complain because me have life.
Oh, you have life.
And me can't chicken there, a chicken me a jerk, so.
Oh, chicken your jerk?
Yeah, so me not complain about nothing at all.
Yes.
And the whole of me shop that blow up, and me trying to catch up with back and up and running.
Okay.
Yeah, so me not complain. Me just give God thanks me have life. No?
Yes.
And me no sick.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is true.
Enough people there in their rescue and come out yet.
Yes.
And me out and running.
So yes.
Me not complain about nothing.
Yes.
Yeah, I give God thanks me can't up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is Point.
Fine.
Yeah, man.
Hello.
Yeah, big up
So-
yourself, Dan.
Eh. So what you have in this spot over here?
Red peas and
Oh, you just start cook?
chicken foot and red peas. You ready, man?
You ready?
Yeah, dumpling and yam.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, so how you sell the jerk chicken?
1,500 a quarter.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and the soup 350 and 700.
Okay, so you out here every day?
Yeah.
Ah.
Actually, every day, I don't do nothing else, so I just come out.
Okay, guys. So if you're passing through Point, check out this lovely lady here, Jennifer,
At Pine Square.
at Pine Square. You can get your hot soup.
Hot soup, jerk chicken, jerk pork sometimes, jerk
Yes.
chicken neck, but you can't get down.
Oh, you jerk the neck too?
Yeah, me jerk chicken neck too.
Okay, nice.
That is special.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So this is your shop, Miss Jennifer.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
That did blow up, but you put on back is it when I go and say do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So you have to try still, you know.
Yeah, me can't sit down, me not sit down wait, because I have life and health and strength.
Yes.
Me just up and running, me not wait for nobody. If you want little help still,
Yes.
me take it, but me not directly wait for them if you can't do nothing
That-
for me.
that-
Because me not sick.
Yes, that is
Just
true.
Up and running.
Up and running.
I know for we don't know if you go better.
Yes.
I don't have no food and can't up and running like me this morning.
True.
So I just give God thanks and live.
Yes. Uh-huh.
I can't complain about nothing.
Yeah, man. All right. So how far Maroon Town from here? It's about 2 miles.
Maroon
About 2 miles.
Maroon Town.
Okay. So you clean up, my brother. Oh, is that shop that?
Yeah.
Oh, your shop. Oh Lord. Oh yeah, clean up and burn up. Wow. You still have to do, you know? Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah. All right.
Get some of my shop place.
Yeah, man. In place mash up, eh? I like your spirit, though, Miss Jennifer.
Give God thanks still, cause, you know.
Yes.
Now, for we up here, so no nobody no dead.
Yes.
I mean, hear how much people miss at some place and dead and some you can't come out and look which back then go run west because they don't live yet.
Yes.
I have to give God thanks and live and praise it, no?
Yes.
I could have worse.
You know,
Like
could have.
we dead or something, no?
Yes.
Anything can happen, you know.
Yeah.
Category 5 is not an easy thing from
True.
hurricane.
Yeah. All right. So we just go around Maroon and come back here.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah,
Glad to be here.
yeah.
Yes.
You look like you walk with up on the TV.
All smash up on there too.
Eh?
We all smash up too.
Theo smash up?
Banana, everything gone.
Eh?
Yeah, what we are going to eat? A rice, a pure rice here, eat and flour.
Pure rice and flour?
Yeah, me goat them gone. Me fowl gone.
Uh.
Everything gone.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man,
You still here? You have to give thanks, you know?
The life
You have to
is
give thanks.
important.
Life is important, you
Yeah,
know?
right now me meeting an accident and see my wife and me no get nothing from government or no.
Eh?
No, we not get nothing at all from government.
So you must see no
No,
authority come around here?
No,
Well, you can see
Wow.
helicopter over there.
nobody at all not coming up free community here now.
Where your committee is?
Tango, sir. Only Red Cross alone we see come.
Oh,
That's a housing, we want food.
we want food.
Yeah, we want food.
Wow.
And we want light, because we don't know light at dark. We have something, a 2 can me have to take and make 2 kitchen bitch. A gas me have to use, me not on kerosene oil.
Really?
Yeah, last night, how much night now, it blew up with a bun on the house pan we.
Eh?
Yeah, we don't have no light, we
The
go
worst
take make
place in
light.
here.
Wow.
Up on the hill and them place there.
Yeah, where people come.
We can come out.
You can come out
Oh,
and
See,
wow.
so
up on
we
the
don't
hill.
like sunlight, we don't like something, if I do some solar, we can get sunlight.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
know, see,
All
because
right.
of from when we don't have no light about 30 years now. And me work with government and now me meeting an accident or 2 accident me meeting.
Mm.
Up to now me no get through, me still, I me go and go see right now, me have to, see there, me and swell, see there. Is a soldier man beat me, mash me up. And see there, me with this honor can't use.
Mm.
No.
Oh Lord.
Me
Yeah.
see blood me see blood like she. All a week me I see blood.
Sorry to hear that,
And
my
me now
brother.
work again, government send me home over 5 years now, me there, I'm in a work.
Mm.
Yeah. I
Wow.
want soldier man beat me, mash me up.
All right, so we are gonna put the video out there and see if we can get some help. You have a telephone number where anybody can reach you?
No,
Or you have no internet?
no, we no internet
Oh,
because
no service.
true,
No
me
service.
me cannot go to school. So the internet business me can't work it. I
Oh.
did the seller and I did the cell phone me have.
Oh,
It's
okay.
straight.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where your house there? How far from here?
Cooper Road. Cooper Road. When you catch one there, so the first right turn down in a gully.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the first right turn down there. You go down there, people will tell you.
Okay. So what your name?
Evans.
Evans.
Walton Evans.
So if me come in the square and ask for you,
No, round there, sir.
you have to come around there, so.
Yeah, you have to come around there. Yes. A whole heap of people around the same way, in the same situation like me.
Oh.
Cause one gentleman live across here, me film house gone.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing no left.
Okay.
You see what I say?
Yeah.
In a film house you have to go.
Mm-hmm.
You know see it? And in the storm me take out the baby and the mother.
Mhm.
And piece of board lick out one of my teeth, you see?
Really?
And me have the baby in my hand. Be glad not do the baby.
Mm-hmm.
You know see it? Because we have to come out, if we never come out of the house with that something that liquid in the kill we.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah, we come out of the house and sit there and me patch it up. One lady come and she give me little food and one chop all in, we could have cover it.
Okay.
Right? But it top what? Me can't manage if you take off it top.
Uh-huh.
Because me no can't tell.
Yeah.
I
So,
pay a heavy board upon it and then you have to go pull up and then me can't manage it. Me don't know if government can send somebody can help me. Cause me can't manage it.
yeah.
Right?
All right. Well, we are gonna put the video out there and see if we can get some help for you. Yeah.
Okay, alright,
But
thanks.
still give
Yeah?
your
Yeah,
phone number
man.
just in case. Cause if you can call it,
Alright, 28
Mm.
41 242.
Yes.
And we have next number 864
Yeah.
6276.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So.
Thanks, yeah?
Yeah, man. And bless up yourself, yeah.
Oh, yeah, man.
And have a nice day now.
Okay, because a clinic me I carry she go.
Oh, you got
She
think
go
now.
to the psychiatrist clinic.
All right, guys. So we continue our journey to Maroon town. Yes. So this is the hardware. So one lady a big right here.
Yes,
And then-
guys, we continue our journey to Maroon town.
Come, all right, come on here. We are YouTuber, you know, so no problem. What? Come down here, sir. Come down here, sir. Let me come out of the corner. Eh? Well, I'm come out of the corner. Alright guys, so we could make a stop and somebody want live one interview there.
The whole place mash up and the whole of we on that chest.
Yeah.
You know, I work in a tourism industry.
Yeah.
I'm the writer, so I go and juggle hardware. So the things come up and bright and beautiful. Yeah?
Yes.
Because we're not going to rob and we're not going to steal.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
We just want to know say everything's smooth with the people. You know?
Yes. Alright. Yeah, my brother. One love here?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Yeah.
Love and respect.
Yeah. Alright. Alright guys, so we continue our journey to Maroon town.
This is point.
Oh yes. So by the way, hold on. By the way, we just give a lady a lift.
Name Sadie.
Okay, Sadie, see the camera here. Tell the fans good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Alright,
Where
so
you going to?
Flagstaff.
Maroon
Okay.
town.
Yes.
okay.
Flagstaff.
Alright. Alright guys, so we continue our journey.
Yes, let's continue.
Yeah, so we have
Man, YouTube.
we have Sadie in the car here with us, you know?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. We mash up bad,
Say-
bad.
Sadie said our house. Your house mash up, Sadie?
He said, like how you send Bolt when he said to the world.
Really? Oh gosh.
Fine.
You the on the side?
He said, he said, I can't Flagstaff. What's some driving the whole day?
Really?
Yes, so this is going down to Summer Hill.
Oh, what? All right. So you know the Samail is one.
Yeah, me know a place when I find me where I go by post office.
Oh, by post office. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. So how you feel when it's time to come through? Yeah.
You know what we expect.
Yeah.
When they say category 5 now, me say, no, never. I don't know food, you know.
Yeah.
Man, in time time I come, I take out everything out of me house, the clothes, them, the furniture, they mash up also.
They mash up.
Take out the clothes, yeah, man.
Whoa.
This is summer nail, see, container turn over.
Wow. Yeah.
Summer nail. Not Carlton, mash up. That's what that, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Some mash up.
Wow.
This is summer nail.
Oh, so this is Summer Hill.
Yes.
Okay.
Small and high.
Okay.
Small and high is when I go down the small and high school over there.
Wait, on your left there. Oh, okay. Wow. Carlton Hill really mash up. Wow.
Hill, guys.
So which side we go now?
That side, that's
The left.
so that, so.
Oh, so.
Yeah.
Oh, if we go Maroon town?
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
This is more.
Oh, so the Maroon Hill over there, so. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Uh-huh.
Carlton over that side.
Wow. First time around this year. What? Over there. Oh.
And people must used to live. People must live good over there, so.
So people live good up here, so I'm not telling no lie.
Okay, okay.
So we live good up here, so we don't have no violence up here. So.
Oh.
Very very good for you.
That's
That.
so nice.
Oh, okay. Nice to hear that.
So like how to come here and live, you know?
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
that's so nice. Very nice in the people go hungry and people go hungry.
Yeah, people go hungry.
People go hungry.
Hungry.
Hungry and hungry.
Yes, hungry and hungry too.
Go rough, go rough. You know they come down, they come up, you know them people get their money.
You see? Oh. Oh. You mean over here? Okay. Some people just repair back them house.
House and all that.
Uh-huh. Wow. Uh-huh. It's very rough.
Rough, you know?
Uh-huh. That one over there.
The people are moving out, moving out, eh? Yeah, moving out. Jeez, man. Yeah, man. Everybody come on him. The Melissa. Over there, so yeah, damage over there. Yeah.
One in there, so. Oh. Put on the roof, yeah.
So when Melissa take off half and style. So anything stylish.
Wow.
So girl I not pardon nobody, man.
No, that me see.
Nobody.
They not even love the man, them, not even man children.
No, this a girl not pardon nobody, man.
Mm.
This is Marlon Road if you want to go in Marlon.
Oh, this is Marlon Road?
Marlon Road, yes.
Oh, you bad? You don't want to go on there. So around here you live?
Sorry,
Oh, Flagstaff. Oh. No, you can't go in there. Once the road bad, it don't make no sense. Wow, all the light wires, look, everything at go. Everything the on ground, look there. Look at this.
Marlon Primary School.
Uh-huh.
Some bad devastation running, guys. A lot of light posts is damaged. Lots of house roof, you know, everything is damaged around here, you know. Lots of big damage. Yeah, go on. Morning, sir.
Yeah, the place mash up.
Mash up body.
Make your Flagstaff. You're not going to Maroon. Make your Flagstaff. When you come out, you go on Maroon.
So Flagstaff different from Marrington?
Yes, man.
Oh, okay. So you reach a Flagstaff before? You reach a
Reach a Maroon, before you reach a Flagstaff.
Oh, okay.
But if you want some more, so the damage you have to go on like on the skin,
Uh-huh.
have to go Barnesfields, and that's what they name the place, them different areas.
Oh. Okay, okay.
And the thing not do Tango River Road, if you go that side, you then still go back. You wanna drive back here,
Uh,
you then drive through the area and reach out back. Same place a point, which way they take me up,
uh-huh.
you then reach back there.
Oh. But the road good?
Yeah, man. The road is good.
Oh, that road there.
Yes.
Oh, okay. See your point.
Go tour and then you go back. So come back here, so
Mhm.
just go back and then
Okay.
straight back to where you
Yeah, I understand.
That's why I mash up, then turn back to the top.
Mm-hmm.
That's the one I mash up.
Mash up body.
Mash up in there, so I mash up.
Oh.
Right down there, sir. Another place they then call it Woodland.
Oh, down the gully there.
And the gully down there.
Oh, okay.
Let's see.
Wow, the road broke right here. Look at that.
My God, look at this, guys.
This is Pumpkin where we get water, never dry.
Oh, right here?
Right here. This
Okay.
is Pumpkin.
Okay.
Never dry and it run and never dry.
Oh, wow.
Never dry.
Never dry?
Never dry.
Okay.
Never. When no rain, no fall, so never dry.
Okay.
Chuck, bus, van, everything I take water.
Really?
Never dry.
Okay.
Never dry.
Never drop.
Oh.
People house, then garden.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
House.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
People little shop with their little house.
Wow. Everything just cut way right here.
Look at that.
Well, I guess anything with board.
Anything with both, me say.
Anything with board gone. Mm-hmm.
Some mash up.
Look up there. That is our church or?
No, it was a building.
So you call this area?
This is Maroon Town.
Oh, this is Maroon Town. Okay. So you have a lot of Maroon up here?
Just arrived in Maroon.
Let's come on, man.
Okay, guys, we are in Maroon Town Square.
There's a sign right there.
Okay.
So you're going up that side.
Up which one? The left? This one here?
That road you made to go straight up.
Oh, up here.
Maroon Town.
Okay. Yes, what's up?
What's up, brother? How go?
Flagstaff.
go. Oh, you want to? Oh, you want to? Oh, you found the panel. Look.
Come in, man.
Come in.
What's up, my brother?
Everything good?
Yes.
Good, man.
Yeah, man.
So what you guys doing now?
We're just showcasing the area, you know?
Yeah, man, you mash up and damage.
Okay.
You want to go up that hill and drive around, come around and you can drive this end and go see the damage.
Oh,
All of the damage, man.
okay.
Move your foot out the door. We just tuck up back and then say, look, you know?
Yeah, take up back and look.
Yeah, we tuck up back and then look.
What's that go?
Anyway, still, them give you some aid some of the time.
Yeah,
No.
The soldier, them drop them helicopter over here.
yeah.
And we get the aid sometimes, so. But boy, by the time this aid fit done that, if you don't go full up of sugar. What
Yeah.
you call it? Diabetic.
I be a sugar.
Yeah, flour and rice, that we have to go live in.
Oh Lord,
Yeah,
me I
speak
tell.
about
Yeah, well,
life and
yeah, we are.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Go on and circle now, we die in a square.
All right, my
We
brother.
haven't have to yet.
Wh-
I will come.
When you come back?
Alright, me die so.
All right.
We carry around here.
Oh, you make carry around. Yes. Hello, mommy. Yes.
We carry go show you back.
Yeah.
We show you every job come back. We carry when the rest of this. We carry, just give me your own money.
Yeah, I was just in room money.
Give me your own money.
Oh God. Look over there, guys.
So we going Flagstaff.
Oh, we're going Flagstaff now.
We are the Maroon Lamar.
Oh. Okay. 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 So all the banana gone.
Yes, man.
Oh Lord. Go over there.
You can go on Petty River today.
Oh, you have pet.
Over here, Africa talk about up here.
No.
Over here, in Africa talk about up here.
Oh, so you have Petty River up here.
Yeah, man, in there you can come for Africa.
Okay.
You can go up here.
Okay. Everything mash up over there. Wow.
You go by where you scream, over here, so when you scream in the water, when come up in all of them outside,
Uh-huh.
all of them over here, so anywhere you see black, the water when over there, rum up,
Wow.
water like crazy.
Uh-huh. Yeah, the water draw now. Oh. Mm-hmm. Wow, this road looks scary though. It was alright? Whoa. You sure? Wow. Uh-huh.
This is a nice good road.
Look over there, guys.
Yeah, best road is.
This road you never buck up.
Oh.
Come up.
Look at that house over there. That one lean.
You sure know that you Hampton bad on this?
Yes, Hampton bad on this.
How much
Look
you
over there,
charge
guys.
Hampton? 1,000. When they charge after I bring 1,000 if you go there and 1,000 come back. I think it's fair, it's $100 we have to pay now, 150.
Look over there, guys. Wow. Yeah.
want to come out
And can't come out.
So me feel like me. You watch Harry Potter scary movie and you want to come out?
Uh-huh.
And it me in and I want to come out.
Oh, wow.
People follow me some people are more than dead.
You just have to have the good spirit, you know?
Yeah, man. People really want. So when you come back and you go back in the spirit, then you carry a short house. Then carry a short house now.
Mm.
You will drive video and make him carry up so. But you can stay and see up. If you can't, you could see nothing. You know?
Mm-hmm.
You can carry you up the way and make you broke up back on the same road when I show you.
Mm-hmm.
And you can carry you up by the health center we go. They blow up that kit get up.
Wow.
Smash the star, people like that out here.
Crazy. Mm. All right, we see it. Hey. Ah. So this is Flagstaff now? Oh, Brownstone. Okay, Brownstone is St. James, right? All of these is St. James. Okay. Okay. Pulling them down the road now. As the breeze blow them, tear them. Yeah. So this is a quiet area. Nobody naturally around here. Oh, okay. That's what I know. Okay. Wow, so all over here, so
Like people enough.
damage. Over here. Mm-hmm. YouTube. Really?
What?
Oh, you know the history around here? Guys, we were planning to go to Maroon town, but we are going further.
Flagstaff!
because we have
Sadie,
in the car.
tour guided.
Yes.
Tour guided.
Oh, guys. Yes. Yes. Over there. Wash up the here, so. Over there. Is the road here? It bad? Oh. Oh, here they fight war. Oh, that is good. Okay.
One hill, right? This is one hill, guys.
Wow. So we are going over that road?
Yes, man.
Oh, that is Flagstaff. All right. Flagstaff. All right, and we finish the video down there. Yes, that is nice. Yeah. No man, we go back to the same road. Yeah. No, no, we just go back the same road. We can do that another day.
Oh, you're coming back?
Yeah man. We'll take your number. Your phone work now?
Sorry.
Yeah?
I'm gonna have to pick up a vessel. I'm dead with it.
And then-
I'm dead with it.
Okay. So if we come back at your house or we come at post office, you can.
Yes, you'll see me at post office.
Okay, then all right then.
I'm dead. I'm dead with it.
And then you end up here. You soon come back, man. Don't worry. See all the banana them a bloom out back, you know. Soon get food to eat again. Yeah. That's no, but lot of banana walk up here though. Oh, right over here.
There's some box going through over here, guys. The more nice, the more nice are we.
one gone here, right here.
Everybody gone. Sorry.
Oh, that's the gun up there, so. Okay. Over there, look over there. Wow. Which way we are going now? Down. So this is the square. Okay. Hello, sir. Hold on there.
Brother Cross, Mr. Mr. Samaya, come on.
Yes.
Amen. Amen.
Oh God. Everything alright. Put in them and see somebody up here.
Yes, you're alive.
Let me go greet the brethren them.
Yes, man. We're YouTuber, you know?
Peace and love. Yes.
Praise the Lord, brother.
Peace and love.
Yes, peace and love.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
For me boss.
Yeah, man.
And the real life, man.
Yeah?
Yes, man.
Respect, man.
Yes.
Every time.
Every time.
Yeah, man.
What's your name of the YouTube channel?
It's DMAC 4K World Tour. I like your brightness. You're bright, very bright.
Oh, this a man.
Oh, you're very bright.
A superstar.
Yes, is that so? I can see that.
Yes. You question why, man?
Yes, man. Yes.
All right.
Yes. All right. Yeah. Take care, man. All right. All right. Take care. Yes. Oh gosh, it's so bright. Huh?
On his side.
Your sister was this one?
Yes, sir.
What?
Stay!
Oh.
Have this other word for the name then. So no window no door, but movie something them all go there wait up.
Mm-hmm.
So then be able to beach up this.
Okay.
Then beach up this and see people then see them over there.
Wow. So we can turn down here?
Come on, no man. Just if you make this I want me sure so set like you say well.
Oh, for you one set like Usain Bolt? Okay.
Some mash up then you can find this at the same mash up.
Okay. Look at this light post here.
Oh, Jesus. Beach up that see one of this
Uh-huh.
see one there sir.
Yeah.
Then beach up at that. See this one here.
Yeah, this one, yeah.
Yeah,
Hello.
So if you want to set like a Usain Bolt over there, sir.
Oh, for you one that over there, sir?
Yes, man, if you want to set over there, sir.
My gosh.
Yeah? Me a tour guide, don't worry yourself. Me a tour guide. If you drive to see me over there, sir.
Uh-huh.
See them, see how the bed and see them out the door.
So where you stay now?
Hey, me catch you now.
You catch?
Me just a catch.
Is that a catch?
So you can turn, yes.
Right.
Oh, Lord.
Me and church and they sit down as well.
So we can leave the carrier, sir?
And go with her. You come on me hand?
Yes, man.
Over there we go, yes.
Yeah, man, you can't leave the carrier.
Okay. Oh, we'll leave the carrier, so man. Alright, so this is a beautiful lady.
Be careful, isn't it?
Yeah?
So be careful.
What? Are they walk?
No, man.
Huh?
Huh?
Oh, near that. Oh, no. We can manage that, man. After you go at this? Oh, gosh. Oh, Lord. So, what, go over there? Yes!
I want to go right over there.
We want to go right over there, man. We walk in a bush, you know. We are bushman too, you know. Yeah. Soft. You're not stuck. Alright, when you're not stuck, we go through. So, up there, you walk.
some more than walk, but me then was here, come over here.
Okay.
You don't come up there, so.
Okay, where go through, man?
You don't come up there, so.
Wow, you really saw it through.
So, depending on me clip.
All right. We made it through. Yes.
Oh, God.
All right. You coming? Well, at least I want some orange tree and cane blow down here.
You want to worry?
Yeah, man, we can get some orange. Can get some orange. Got this orange tree, guys. You take up the stove and set it?
Good bed.
Okay. Go, Lord.
This is your house.
Besides zinc here, what's left? Mm-mm. Wow. So that this leave out the house?
Let me tell you, just fridge, TV, mash up.
Mm-mm. Oh gosh.
Everything. I pick the book them, everything.
Everything gone. Oh, this is devastating. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Wow. So what you do? You plan to build back here?
Yeah, maybe I know where to go.
Oh, no, no. Okay. So, wow. Oh. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Very rough. Mm-hmm. All right.
Curtain sheet, everything getting up.
Everything.
Everything came gone.
So, well, all the clothes and everything.
Now everything.
Mm-mm.
TV on
Oh my goodness! The TV underneath the bed there. Look at that.
TV on the bed.
Uh-uh. Flat screen at that too.
everything gone. Everything gone.
Wow. So guys, if you can help Miss Sadie get back on her feet, she much appreciate of it, you know?
Shout
Yeah.
out the number, Sadie.
Although your number not working now.
Working.
Still shout it out.
531 9094.
Yeah. Yes.
31
9094.
Yeah.
531 9094.
Yeah. And guys, if you cannot get Sadie, you can get DMAC. Yes, and reach out to DMAC because me and Sadie gonna be friends from
Today.
from today. Yes, yes. I'm not gonna leave you out, you know.
Comment on.
Yeah. So. All right. So we're gonna end this one right here.
Lovely Sadie.
With the lovely Sadie.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Side my bed.
Yes, tie the bed. Yeah, I thumbnail. To the world, right.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Yeah. The face is too happy for a thumbnail.
Yes. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. And please remember to go and support a friend. That is Jamaica World Travel, Wayne Mighty, 4K Explorer, Eat with Sam, and Smiler in the City, Mushrooms Lifestyle. Alright guys. Alright, so see they give you a burger.
So orange.
What?
You got mixed beverage.
Mixed beverage?
Yeah.
Alright. That is nice. Alright my dear, thank you.
You're welcome.
Although this time we still get something from you.
Yes.
Yes, yeah man. And we are gonna give you something too. So you can come out the car for it, you know? Yes, nice. No, we don't want to walk back in the mud. Yeah, we walk up this one. Okay. Wow. So this is the original road that you use, right? Okay. So what is that church over there?
Adventist, 70 Adventist, Flagstaff, 70 Adventist.
Oh, okay,
Church.
okay. And that one you go?
No, New Testament Church of God.
Okay, okay.
On that side.
We're on the other side there.
Good night.
Miss Edna, what you say? Yeah, look? Yeah. All right. Yes. Yes. So this is the 70th church rooftop gone
Flagstaff.
in Flagstaff.
The New Testament Church of God, one gone too.
You gone too? Okay. So continue around this road.
For Zambia.
Zambia.
Yeah, and lead you back to Shawcastle, but the road not good.
All right, guys. So see there, bring me over our.
Sister Farine yard.
Okay. Wow.
Time to go to this.
All right, guys. So we go over.
We got the sugar cane them over here, guys. Yeah.
See the sister house.
That sugar cane over here.
Wow.
No problem.
Eh?
No problem.
Oh man. I feel no if we walk here so though.
Yeah. Water.
Yeah, the water make the place slippery. Oh.
Now we have 4 bedroom house, you know.
This is a 4-bedroom house.
Yeah, and no.
None no left. Wow.
Devastated.
Oh gosh. Everything. Uh-uh.
Everything.
Look at that, man.
Everything else, sir.
Mm-mm. Yeah.
Everything. All around is so gone.
Mm-hmm.
Everything gone.
Wow.
Everything gone.
Everything mashed up in there. Look at that. My God. Wow. You can see the radio, the ones in not. Set in. Fridge. The dresser, the bed, the zinc,
Whoa.
the water tub, the window. Even the walls in the roof gone.
Eh. Everything mash up. Yeah, me are careful, man. Guys, look at it. Look at it. Everything gone. Bed, everything. Look at that.